Ever make a grilled sandwich at home only to end up with soggy bread, uneven browning, or a pan that's a nightmare to clean afterward? If you've been looking for an easier way to make cafe-style sandwiches without spending a fortune, today's review might save you both time and money. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Yashe Panini Grill Press, a compact 1200-watt sandwich maker designed for busy families, students, small kitchens, and anyone who enjoys quick homemade meals. It promises crispy sandwiches, evenly grilled paninis, and enough versatility to cook more than just bread. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. At first glance, the Yashe Panini Grill has a clean, modern design that doesn't take over your countertop. Its compact footprint makes it especially appealing if you're working with limited kitchen space, whether that's an apartment, dorm room, RV, or office kitchenette. Even though it's lightweight enough to move around easily, it doesn't feel flimsy. The cast aluminum cooking plates give it a sturdier feel than many entry-level sandwich makers in the same price range. The non-stick coated cooking plates are one of the highlights here. Instead of worrying about cheese sticking everywhere or spending several minutes scraping away burnt crumbs, food lifts off surprisingly easily. That also means you can use less oil or butter while still getting nicely toasted bread. Cleanup becomes much less of a chore, which is something you'll appreciate if you're making breakfast before work or preparing a quick lunch between meetings. Performance is where this grill starts to justify its price. Thanks to the 1200-watt heating system, it reaches cooking temperature fairly quickly, so you're not standing around waiting for breakfast. Once it's ready, the heat distributes evenly across the plates, producing consistent browning on both sides of your sandwich. Whether you're making a classic grilled cheese, a turkey panini, or a ham and mozzarella melt, the results are crisp on the outside while keeping the fillings warm and flavorful. One feature that adds extra versatility is the 180-degree opening. Instead of using it only as a sandwich press, you can fully open the grill and cook on both plates at once. That makes it useful for grilling vegetables, burgers, chicken, bacon, or even small steaks. For households that don't have room for a dedicated indoor grill, this flexibility makes the Yashe a surprisingly practical addition to the kitchen. Using it couldn't be much simpler. The indicator lights clearly show when the grill is heating and when it's ready to cook, eliminating the guesswork. There are no confusing settings or digital menus to learn. Just plug it in, wait for the ready light, place your food inside, and let the grill do the work. It's an appliance that almost anyone can use comfortably, even if they've never owned a panini press before. Of course, there are a few limitations worth mentioning. Since it's designed as a compact appliance, it comfortably fits 2 standard slices of bread, but isn't intended for preparing large family meals all at once. It also doesn't include adjustable temperature controls, so if you like having very precise cooking settings, you may need to spend more on a premium model. Compared with other budget sandwich makers from brands like Hamilton Beach, Chefman, and OVENTE, the Yashe offers an appealing balance between speed, simplicity, and versatility. Some competing models may include removable plates or additional cooking modes, but many also come with a higher price tag. If your main goal is consistently crispy sandwiches with the bonus of light indoor grilling, the Yashe delivers excellent everyday value. Overall, the Yashe Panini Grill Press is a smart choice for students, couples, busy professionals, or anyone who wants quick, satisfying meals without cluttering the kitchen with oversized appliances. It's easy to use, easy to clean, heats quickly, and performs reliably for everyday cooking. If you're tired of uneven sandwiches or spending money at cafes every week, this little grill could easily pay for itself over time. If you found this review helpful, be sure to like the video, subscribe for more honest product reviews, and check out the link in the description to see today's latest price before any current deals end.